This video will demonstrate how to change a Dow bladder bag in a standard conformal coating system. With some systems, the entire pail with bladder bag can be replaced. In this video, we will show removing and replacing the bladder bag from the pail. Before you begin, proper protective equipment must be worn for this process. First, relieve the pressure on the delivery tank and open the top. The pressure in the tank should be at 0 and the lid should lift easily. In the tank, you will see the depleted bladder bag. Remove the feed line hose from the quick connect. This is the black hose. Next, remove the quick connect from the expired bladder bag and remove the bladder from the tank. Install the new bladder bag and attach the quick connect by snapping it into the new bladder bag. Before connecting the fluid line to the quick connect, bleed any air or inert gas out of the bladder bag by pushing down on the bladder and allowing the air to escape. Push on the bladder until material starts to emerge from the quick connect. Reconnect the fluid line to the conformal coating system. Apply the lid and repressurize the system.